Hello, world. Brian here, sharing some thoughts from the road, same job, different uniform. Load, locate, deliver, record, repeat. Hopefully, we learn something together, or at least kill some time. Rock Creek, Boone County, April, and the hills are just starting to go green at the edges. That pale early spring color before everything commits. I've been through this county more times than I can count, and I still don't have a clean explanation for why it pulls at me the way it does. I've stopped trying to find one. Rock Creek runs down through here the way these communities always sit, tucked in along the water like the creek found the valley first and the people just followed the logic of it. Somewhere up one of these hollers, there's probably a name on a mailbox that matches a name on a map from 150 years ago. Somebody's family put their name on this land before most of this road existed. I don't know whose. That's the thing about Boone County. It keeps score in ways I can't always read. Thank you for riding with me. We are in this together. Keep going.